Beloved ones, we greet thee. 'Tis Alcazar. As always, it is a great honor for us to be with you as you tune in around your world. We are with you. We are always with you. You have heard from these three, and many of you have been feeling an energy as they have been talking, for we have been supporting their words with a gentle energetic to assist you taking their words and feeling the message, the energy behind it. Your world is changing, and it is time for each and every one of you to understand that you are part of this change. Your willingness to allow the change to occur to you, your willingness to call it forth, to claim the new you, this creates a field to assist humanity. The more you allow this, and the more of you who are allowing this, you are accelerating the awakening process for everyone on your planet, even those in deep unconsciousness, even those who are trying to prevent this awakening. You are all connected through the morphogenetic field of humanity. And the more of you that raise your vibration, those of lower vibrations are brought up. They start to feel differently as you pull them very gently. It is not about manipulating them. It is about changing the energy in which they live. As you change with the energy that you are living in, you are more receptive. You are more creative of bringing the new. Beloved ones, can you sense what we are saying? Over the years we have worked with you, there have been changes happening. They are happening more and more, both deeper and faster. You have probably noticed this. When these two come together, the Stargate, Ascension 1, there is always a major shift. The one that will be occurring in your Slovenia will be a massive shift of consciousness for those present. The intention is to create this wave, this energetic of high frequency, loving energy to radiate out to humanity. This is why these three are sat here representing the myriad of beings who are supporting humanity, speaking through these three, so that you can hear and feel the importance of this gathering, the importance of your energetic in the process of waking humanity. It is so easy from your own mindset to think, oh, this is just me. I am so involved in the struggles of my daily life. How can I contribute? Beloveds, that is the old. You contribute by your presence, just by bringing your energy into this communal meditation. Your intention, your presence allows both your energy to change, but your energy, when combined with so many others around the world, you magnify each other. So even if there's 1,000 people meditating together, it has the effect of 10, 20, 30,000 people meditating individually. This is the importance of coming together. We are Alcazar, and we talk on behalf of many.
And so, beloved ones, are you ready to go higher, deeper, further into your own awakening? Understand that when these three come together, and when these communities come together, because, beloved ones, we recognize you, the work you have been doing, the states of consciousness you have been entering, have been preparing you for a whole new level. So we say to you, get ready. Because in a sense, when you come together, there will be nothing to do. The field itself will be elevating. Your consciousness, each and every one of you hearing these words, is ready for a super high frequency involution. And so understand deeply what is occurring in your world. The battle throes of duality, separation, isolation, versus this oneness that is possible, this coming together of humanity to create something that this planet has never seen. There is the potential for humanity to realize and recognize the vastness of the creative resources and to free yourselves. You have been tied to time, to work for money, to survive in this reality, and so many of you are still there. That is all right. That is all right. Because, beloveds, it is not about your external fighting with your external to change your reality anymore. What can start to occur for each and every one of you is a breakthrough into a new state of inner peace. In this new state of inner peace, the peaks in your consciousness that become possible start to infuse into the rest of your life. The synchronicity field, as you reach these resolutions inside of you, as this inner revolution of your consciousness takes hold, the ripple effects through the synchronicity in your life, when you feel at peace with your life as it is, it starts to create a whole new level of adaptation for these times. Because yes, the world is polarized. It will continue to be so in your external world. Internally, new heights are available. And these new peaks can match the intensity of your external world and in effect neutralize some of the what you could call trauma, some of the stress. You can feel refreshed so that you know within that no matter what is appearing in the external world, it is all part of this process of the awakening of humanity.
Let us show you a new way.
Greetings. We are Elohim. Despite the many changes you have witnessed within yourself over the years, over the months, over the weeks and days of practice and silence. The changes you will witness that are possible within yourself will be greater than anything else before. Therefore, expecting a certain level of development, the mind will not be capable of imagining. Therefore, transformation into the unknown is once again a path for all of those choosing the peak, the evolutionary frontline of humanity. A part of you has always known change and transformation is required and necessary, is the path of ascension, of evolution. Another part of you has feared change, has feared evolution and expansion into the unknown, this transformation, the familiarity and comfort with the known and the present. No matter how stagnant, how complex or unprocessed it was, the dwelling had become a new normality for most of humanity. Can you allow this natural and intrinsic element within your being to be the guiding light? To allow this intrinsic trust to hold you as you venture into this new unknown. The ascension within humanity, the ascension within the collective, is a new unfolding. And together, all of you, together in these fields established, this transformational process is received with greater ease, with grace, a gentleness, a purity, a resonance, and a frequency established to serve all of you together and for you to serve each other. Feel into the possibility of this greatness. Allow this way of being to be the transformational agent, the catalyst, the love and the compassion that the rest of all of humanity requires, so that they can rest in the transformation that is occurring, so that they can complete cycles of the past with realizations, with greater ease, with acceleration, allowing with cycles that have gone for hundreds, for thousands of years to complete. So they no longer are required to repeat in the manifested reality of your existence of humanity. Realization occurs in this moment and in moments of great consciousness expansion. Realizations can occur any moment you choose to devote this expanded state to. And each realization will truly fuel a new state of being, the ability to hold a greater frequency, a greater alignment within. And with this alignment, a new capacity of existence unfolds. You receive and transmit a greater energy as an unlimited source of this love of creation is available to you. Your capacity expands. And no matter the external challenges, this expanded capacity in alignment will hold you, will guide you, will provide for you, so you can truly sense being provided for all that you could ever need, for all that you could ever want in this very moment. All physical functions and well-being being fueled, for the aging process to be slowed down and reversed, for the mind to be cleared of its beliefs, judgments, preconditions, to quiet and relax, to operate optimally, to recognize how to navigate this reality with a clear and aligned ego construct, for the heart to release its complex emotional constructs of unprocessed past, for life experiences to unfold with greater ease and a significant expanded state of love and compassion. For this energetic body of yours to receive the fuel, the nourishment, and the catalyzation required. You all are vessels of the divine. You all are capable of receiving the greatest love, the greatest potential of this known universe and beyond.
Thousands and thousands of people around the world are going to be focusing in Slovenia for this event that we're creating together. And I just want to give it a plug right now. If you are feeling anything that we're talking about, then what we need is for you to bring your full energy, to be there with us, hopefully in person. But if not, to actually be with us online with your full energy.